Chapter 10 Cloud Computing. Concept note: Cloud computing is the on-demand availability of computer system resources, especially data storage and computing power, without direct active management by the user. Cloud computing offers cost-effectiveness, enhanced security, and streamlined operations. Cloud computing has transformed the way we access and utilize computing resources. Learning outcomes: Children will be able to understand the term cloud computing, identify the basic concept of cloud computing, learn some characteristics of cloud computing, know about advantages and disadvantages of cloud computing. Neha: Hey Tia, have you heard about cloud computing? Tia: Yeah, I've heard the term, but I'm not sure what it really means. Neha: Well, think of it this way. You know how we save our photos, videos, and documents on our computer's hard drive, right? Tia: Yeah, that's where all my data is. Neha: Cloud computing is like having another super powerful computer somewhere far away where you can store your data and run programs. Tia: Oh, so it's like having a backup computer. Neha: Sort of, but it's not just for backup. You can access your stuff and use software from anywhere with an internet connection. Tia: Wow, that sounds cool. Let's learn more about it. Imagine the internet is like a big cloud, and in that cloud there are powerful computers. These computers can do all sorts of tasks like storing information, running software, and more. With cloud computing, you can use these computers over the internet. You don't need to own them or keep them in your home or office. Instead, you can rent them whenever you need them, just like how you rent a movie online. This is helpful because it saves you money as you don't have to buy and maintain your own computers. It is also convenient because you can access your stuff and use software from anywhere with an internet connection. So, cloud computing is like using computers from the internet's cloud to do tasks and store information without needing your own physical computers. What is cloud? The term cloud refers to a network or the internet. In other words, we can say that cloud is something which is present at a remote location. Cloud can provide services over public and private networks, that is WAN, LAN, or VPN. Applications such as email, web conferencing, customer relationship management, or CRM execute on cloud. What is cloud computing? The term cloud refers to a network or the internet. It is a technology that uses remote servers on the internet to store, manage, and access data online rather than local drives. The data can be anything such as files, images, documents, audio, video, and more. The following operations we can do using cloud computing: developing new applications and services, storage, backup, and recovery of data, hosting blogs and websites, delivery of software on demand, analysis of data, streaming videos and audios. Basic concepts: There are certain services and models working behind the scene making the cloud computing feasible and accessible to end users. The following are the working models for cloud computing: deployment models, service models. Deployment models. Deployment models define the type of access to the cloud, that is, how the cloud is located. Cloud can have any of the four types of access: public, private, hybrid, and community. Public cloud. The public cloud is a cloud where on-demand computing services and infrastructure are managed by a third-party provider and shared with multiple organizations using the public internet. Private cloud. The private cloud allows systems and services to be accessible within an organization. It is more secured because of its private nature. Community cloud. The community cloud is a collaborative effort in which infrastructure is shared between several organizations from a specific community with common concerns. Hybrid cloud. The hybrid cloud is a mixture of public and private cloud in which the critical activities are performed using private cloud while the non-critical activities are performed using public cloud. Service models. Cloud computing is based on service models. These are categorized into three basic service models, which are Infrastructure as a Service (IaaS), Platform as a Service (PaaS), Software as a Service (SaaS). Infrastructure as a Service or IaaS is the most basic level of service. Each of the service models inherits the security and management mechanism from the underlying model as shown in the diagram. IaaS provides access to fundamental resources such as physical machines, virtual storage, etc. Platform as a Service (PaaS). PaaS provides the runtime environment for applications, development and deployment tools, etc. Software as a Service (SaaS). SaaS model allows to use software applications as a service to end users. Anything as a Service XaaS is yet another service model which includes network as a service, business as a service, identity as a service, database as a service or strategy as a service. Why is there need for cloud computing? Small as well as large IT companies follow the traditional methods to provide IT infrastructure. That means for any IT company, we need a server room. That is the basic need of IT companies. In that server room, there should be a database server, mail server, networking, firewalls, routers, modem, switches, QPS or query per second means how much queries or load will be handled by the server, configurable system, high net speed, and the maintenance engineers. To establish such IT infrastructure, we need to spend lots of money. To overcome all these problems and to reduce the IT infrastructural cost, cloud computing comes into existence. Characteristics of cloud computing. The characteristics of cloud computing are given below. Agility. The cloud works in a distributed computing environment. It shares resources among users and works very fast. High availability and reliability. The availability of servers is high and more reliable because the chances of infrastructural failure are minimum. High scalability. Cloud offers on-demand provisioning of resources on a large scale without having engineers for peak loads. Multi-sharing. With the help of cloud computing, multiple users and applications can work more efficiently with cost reductions by sharing common infrastructure. Device and location independence. Cloud computing enables the users to access systems using a web browser regardless of their location or what device they use, example PC, mobile phone, etc. As infrastructure is off-site, typically provided by a third party and accessed via the internet, users can connect from anywhere. Maintenance. Maintenance of cloud computing applications is easier since they do not need to be installed on each other's computer and can be accessed from different places, so it reduces the cost as well. Low cost. By using cloud computing, the cost will be reduced because to take the services of cloud computing, IT company need not set its own infrastructure and pay as per use of resources. Services in the pay per use mode. Application programming interfaces or APIs are provided to the user so that they may access services on the cloud by using these APIs and pay the charges as per the usage of services. Advantages of cloud computing. A list of advantages of cloud computing is given as follows. Backup and restore data. Once the data is stored on the cloud, it is easier to get back up and restore that data using the cloud. Improved collaboration. Cloud applications improve collaboration by allowing groups of people to quickly and easily share information on the cloud via shared storage. Excellent accessibility. Cloud allows us to quickly and easily access stored information anywhere, anytime in the whole world using an internet connection. An internet cloud infrastructure increases organization productivity and efficiency by ensuring that our data is always accessible. Low maintenance cost. Cloud computing reduces both hardware and software maintenance costs for organizations. Mobility. Cloud computing allows us to easily access all cloud data via mobile. iServices in the as-pay-use model. Cloud computing offers application programming interfaces or APIs to the users to access services on the cloud and pay the charges as per the usage of service. Unlimited storage capacity. Cloud offers us a huge amount of storing capacity for storing our important data such as documents, images, audio, video, etc. at one place. Data security. Data security is one of the biggest advantages of cloud computing. Cloud offers many advanced features related to security and ensures that data is securely stored and handled. Disadvantages of cloud computing. A list of the disadvantages of cloud computing is given below. Security and privacy. It is the biggest concern about cloud computing. Since data management and infrastructural management on cloud are provided by third party, it is always a risk to hand over the sensitive information to cloud service providers. Lock-in. It is very difficult for the customers to switch from one cloud service provider CSP to another. It results in dependency on a particular CSP for service. Isolation failure. This risk involves the failure of isolation mechanism that separates storage, memory and routing between the different tenants. Management interface compromise. In case of public cloud provider, the customer management interfaces are accessible through the internet. Insecure or incomplete data deletion. It is possible that the data requested for deletion may not get deleted. It happens because of either of the following reasons. Extra copies of data are stored but are not available at the time of deletion. Disk that stores data of multiple tenants is destroyed. Flashback. The term cloud refers to a network or the internet. Cloud computing is the on-demand availability of computer system resources. Models of cloud computing are deployment models and service models. Some characteristics of cloud computing are agility, scalability, reliability, multi-sharing, low cost, etc. Advantages of cloud computing are low cost, high availability and reliability.